In what many interpreted as a message about healing rather than conflict, Zandile Khumalo has shared those that appear to unpack the deeper emotional layers behind the reported tension between her and her sister Kelly Khumalo. Rather than directly pointing fingers, Zandile speaks about how family relationships can become strained when one person's life's journey unfolds differently from what others expected for themselves. She highlights how breaking generational cycles, such as being the first to marry or raise a child within a stable household, can unintentionally expose unresolved pain, unfulfilled dreams, and quiet comparisons within families. Zandile suggests that this kind of resentment often isn't born from bitterness, but from deep-seated disappointment and inherited struggles that were never addressed. She also notes how painful it can be to feel more support from strangers than from one's own relatives, especially when there was never any competition to begin with. Ultimately, her message reflects the emotional complicity of family dynamics, showing how unspoken expectations, silent jealousy, and generational trauma can quietly create a distance between people who are bound by blood.